Welcome to Lesson 11, Ad Refresh Technology, where we will learn what is ad refresh, what is smart ad refresh, and some best practices. Let's go! Ad refresh is a technology that allows publisher to serve multiple sets of ads to a particular user within a single session while they are visiting a specific web page. So, from a publisher's perspective, it allows them to increase the number of ad impressions served to a user in a single session based on a specific preset trigger. We are going to talk specifically in this lesson about smart ad refresh. Based on what we just learned about ad refresh, smart ad refresh consists of a dynamic reload of the ads. The system analyzes multiple variables to accurately predict if the ad is viewable in that moment and refreshes the ad only if that's the case. Some variables include clicks, browser usage, viewable area, and time spent on the page. So this means it is a technology that is more advanced. Now that we know that smart ad refresh is user-based, we have to wonder as a publisher, is this the right solution for me? Ad refresh works really well on sites that with higher than average session duration than time on page. So analyze your website and check these variables. Also, you need to think of what's your strategy. Let's see it with these two options. Think this is a great strategy is a yes if you're looking to maximize the revenue you generate per user through programmatic advertising, then refresh makes sense and is a strong tool in your arsenal. But maybe it's not the best choice if you are selling directly to advertisers and want to maintain the value of your inventory. Ensuring each advertiser gets as much value from each placement as possible. Also, any units with high view time will be really good candidates for in-view ad refresh. Websites that run high impact ad units that score high on viewability metrics are best suited for ad refresh. Smart Ad Refresh is a great tool to increase viewability for your web page and also maximize revenue, but it might be a bit complicated as a tool to implement on your web, so that's why you can reach out to AdSense. We have now some best practices for you to have in mind. First, analyze your site and ad units to understand if it makes sense using smart refresh tactics. Check what are the ad units that you have available. Check what's your bounce rate, how time per session your user stays on your page. Second, make sure the ad networks and ad exchanges you work with support ad refresh, as not all of them work with it. Third, ensure to read your demand partners' policies and follow their specific ad refreshing rules. Otherwise, this may risk having your account suspended. For example, with Google, it's important to declare where exactly you are using refresh technology on GAM. Lastly, another useful best practice is to conduct A/B tests to evaluate the real impact of ad refresh on your website. We've reached the end of our lesson, and we've learned some valuable things about how smart ad refresh works, if it's the best solution for you as a publisher. We saw through several steps on how to analyze your website and see if the ad units that you have currently running are the best for you. Here are some key takeaways, and make sure to have this in place for future reference. Thank you for watching.